How to fix iPhone charging but battery percentage not increasing problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Is your iPhone showing it's connected to a charger but the battery percentage isn't going up? This can be a super frustrating issue. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the fixes for this issue on iOS 17. So let's jump right into it. First, check your charging cable and adapter for damage. Frayed wires or faulty chargers can prevent your iPhone from charging properly. Try using a different Apple certified cable and adapter to rule out hardware issues. Next, clean the charging port. Dot or derives in the charging port can block proper contact. Use a soft toothpick or a dry brush to gently clean it. Next, force restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix software glitches, and for that, force start your iPhone by following these steps. Press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, check for optimized battery. iOS 17 includes optimized battery charging, which limits charging past 80% in certain situations to protect battery health. To do that, go to Settings, tap on Battery, and go to Battery Health and Charging, and temporarily turn off Optimized Battery Charging to see if the percentage increases. Next, update the iOS version. Software bugs can also cause charging issues. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS 17. To do that, go to Settings, tap on General, and go to Software Update and install any pending updates. Next, check your battery health. If your battery health has degraded significantly, it might not hold a charge properly. To resolve it, go to Settings, tap on Battery, then go to Battery Health and Charging and check the maximum capacity. If it's below 80%, it might be time to replace the battery. Next, reset all settings. If none of this work, reset your iPhone settings to rule out software conflicts. To do this, go to Settings and tap on General and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset All Settings. And that's it. This is how you can solve the charging percentage not increasing issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.